Hello and welcome to Scoutlier. In this video, we will show how Scoutlier enhances Google Classroom, providing greater flexibility in our assignments to support the needs of our diverse learners. As Google Classroom users, we are familiar with its strengths. Google Classroom does a great job organizing our students and allowing us to pass documents and assignments back and forth. But if we want to structure and collect student work, especially if we want to use multimedia like video and audio, we need to use other applications. Scoutlier is a new app that addresses this and can be fully integrated and used within Google Classroom. It provides a flexible and intuitive online learning, collaboration, and assessment platform where students can show evidence of their learning through text, video, audio, and more, anywhere, anytime, and on any device. Scoutlier significantly enhances the types of assignments and activities that can be shared via Classroom. Let's look at some examples. Here, supporting special education students, the teacher asks students to complete a paper survey, take a photo of their work, and make a recording of their favorite activity. For those students who struggle with written responses, the ability to explain what they know orally can be very affirming. In this example, students are working on a variety of projects, all different from each other. The teacher can use a single assignment to check on their progress. Students can show photos of their work, explain their work, and list next steps. Scoutlier helps us differentiate instruction by making it easy to ask students to pursue their learning in different ways within the same activity and to choose their own means of self-expression. It also helps with equity since every student, even if they only have access to a smartphone or a shared computer, can access, engage, and submit their work. Users can download free native apps for better functionality on phones. Let me show you how to get started and try out Scoutlier. First, go to the Scoutlier login page or scoutlier.com. The app is developed by ACERN, an educational group founded by top scientists from the Woods Hole Oceanographic Institute to support discovery-based learning. Click Login on the upper right. Then, log in through Google Classroom. Select Teacher and log in with the Classroom account. Google will ask for several sharing permissions in order to be integrated with Google Classroom. Click Allow to create your account. If you accidentally log in with Google and not Google Classroom, just log out and log back in with Classroom. You will then be asked to allow Google to share information with Scoutlier. The first step is to create your profile, selecting grade levels and subject areas. Save your profile once complete. You will be taken to your assignments page after logging in. Notice the Classroom link on the left. Once you have set up your Scoutlier account with Google Classroom, you will see that all of your classes have been imported. If you create new classes or add new students, you will want to sync these changes. To do so, click the Refresh Classrooms on the upper right. Let's look at Dashboard on the left. On the dashboard, we can see class activity, real-time student progress, and a library of shared assignments. In the community library, you can research assignments. If you see one you like, copy it to your assignments. As you make assignments, and if you think they would be helpful to others, you can share them to the library. Let's create an assignment. Click the blue plus button to get started. You will need to give the assignment a title and description. You may select other options and provide more details. You have the ability to link to resources at this level, but can also do it other steps in the creation process. You now can build the assignment. You will notice the assignment has three main sections: research, data capture, and analysis. You do not need to use all. In this example, we are looking for quick feedback identifying the signs of spring, so we will select Data Capture. Here too you will add titles, descriptions, and can add resources. Once the activity is created, you can add steps. In this example, students have been asked to take up to 5 pictures of the signs of spring. You could also ask for video, an audio recording, or a form. The form can be multiple choice, multiple select. You can add measurements or enter text. Here I've added a second option to have students explain why they chose the items above as signs of spring. I could add more if I wish. Once I save the assignment, I can then assign to my Google Classroom. You will note that you will also share the assignment with a code. It's useful if you are not working with Classroom and wish to share an assignment via email or other learning management platform. Let's assign to Google Classroom. You will be able to select which classes to assign it to. But if you return to your classroom, you will see the assignment Signs of Spring in the Classwork tab. Selecting the assignment, you will see it is assigned to the students, and clicking directly on the assignment will take you to it in Scoutlier. Let's see this from a student's perspective. A student will see the assignment in the classwork and select it. They can click on the Scoutlier link to complete the assignment. They will log in with Google Classroom, using their Google account to log in. They are taken directly to the assignment. The directions you provide and the easy-to-understand icons make it clear to the student what to do. Clicking the camera icon gives them a choice to use the camera or to upload an image they have already taken. Let's take some pictures of the signs of spring. Now let's record our reasoning. Selecting record also gives us the option of recording directly or adding a previous recording. Notice not all 5 photos were taken. Elements in an assignment are not required. You may require all elements be completed in your directions, but Scoutlier does not. If you want to, you could give students options to choose how to respond, with different steps or options such as write, record, demonstrate with video, etc., allowing a greater flexibility for students to express themselves. Click Submit when ready. If all the elements are not completed, students will see this warning. You do not need to require all elements. If they are sure they have done what they wanted, they can continue to submit. After receiving confirmation, students click OK. Once a student has submitted the assignment, they do have the option to unsubmit at the bottom of the screen. They can do this if they realize they've forgotten something, or, as a teacher, after you've reviewed their work, you may want to ask them for additional evidence or clarification and resubmit their work. Let's return to Google Classroom and see how a submitted assignment appears in the teacher's class. Find the assignment in the Classwork tab, and you will see how many assignments have been turned in. Clicking the assignment takes you back to Scoutlier. Log in with Google Classroom, and you will see the assignments page. Click on the assignment to view the submissions. You can see an overview where the student submissions are grouped by question. Selecting the View Data on the right of the question gives you a closer look at the responses. By selecting the Progress Report tab, you can view the submissions by student. We've just completed a walkthrough from account creation, assignment creation, and student completion. As you discovered, Scoutlier and Google Classroom together provide an intuitive, easy-to-use platform to create enriching, flexible, adaptive activities to support learning. Scoutlier can be used on any web-enabled device, promoting equity of access and focusing on multiple means of input by students, allowing for differentiation in a single assignment. Scoutlier, a great platform for both students and teachers to show their creativity. For more information, visit acern.com.